Hey everybody, welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. And in this video, we're going to be doing a Katteb tutorial, and I'm going to be walking you through various aspects of this particular software. Now, if you have not taken a look at my full review and demo of this product, I would advise you to click on the video card or the link that will be down below in the description, and make sure that you watch my full review of the product where I go in a little bit more into detail and walk you through the entire piece of software. Now, I'm probably going to be doing different tutorials on this particular piece of software. Now, this is an AI generated software for long form content, for rewriting your articles, for fact check content. So this is a little bit more of a different type of AI writer. Now, what I want to walk you through in this particular tutorial is we're going to first of all just look at some different aspects. Now, there of course are, like I said before in the other video, these are some of the things that you can do: fact checked writer, assistant long form, article rewriter, headlines. You've got a whole bunch of other things that you can do. Believe it or not, guys, you can even write YouTube descriptions in here. And so you can even do YouTube descriptions. And so, yeah, you can even do those descriptions in here. So it's getting, it's a very interesting piece of software as far as this is concerned. Now, let me just tell you, let's go over here to the AI templates. If you click on AI templates, you can actually browse all of the things that you saw up top, and you can do a video script. You can do all sorts of things. Now, what I want to take a look at here, just for the simple fact of this particular video, let's look at the, we got Google Ads, email subject lines. Well, let's first of all start with the PAS formula. A lot of people wonder, what is that? Of course, it's the pain, agitate, and solve kind of option for you when you are, or solution, I guess I should say, pain, agitate, solution formula. So if you have a particular product and you're trying to write something, you want to make sure that you're able to, especially like a sales page or something like that, you can actually create this using this particular business model or this particular template. So, and it's, as it says here, it says with the PAS marketing template, you can craft persuasive marketing messages that resonate with your target audience by highlighting the pain points or challenges your customers face, agitating those issues to intensify their impact, and offering your service or products as the ultimate solution. So that's the idea there. Okay. All right. Now, so you're going to come over here. You're going to pick how many variations that you want, whether you want one variation, two variations, or three variations. You, of course, have your language here, and you can simply put in the product. Okay. And let's just say, for the simple fact of this, we're going to do one on the Magic Bookifier. So what you would simply do is you would put in your product name, of course, Magic Bookifier here. Then you would put in a brief description, and the Magic Bookifier harnesses the power of AI to transform your audio transcripts into captivating ebooks and reorganize rambling thoughts, elaborate, retain data, and support your thesis. And then you would simply just click on generate, okay? And what this is going to do is it's going to give you the problem. You have valuable audio transcripts, but turning them into readable and organized content can be time consuming and difficult. A motive: it can be frustrating to go back and listen through recordings, trying to remember key points and structure your thoughts. Here's a solution. Magic Bookifier uses AI technology to transform your audio scripts into captivating ebooks that are organized and support your thesis. Save time and turn your ideas into compelling content with ease. Okay. And so this is how you do the pain, agitate sort of solution formula inside of Katteb. Okay. And so that's one of the options that you have inside of your templates. Now, if you were going to use this and you wanted to use this, you could just simply click on the export button, and you have HTML, plain text, PDF, or you can download it as a docs file. Also, if you have a WordPress blog, you can actually click on this particular WordPress blog, and it can actually transfer it directly into your WordPress blog. So it has options there that you can use that for. Okay. Now let's move on to the fact check writer. The fact check writer is also an option that you have in your templates menu. What you're going to do is you're simply going to pick, of course, like you did before, variation, the English, The description, you can say how to build an online business, whether you want it to be optimistic, professional, sarcastic, happy, whatever. And how do you want it? You want a paragraph? Do you want a listicle? And just for the sake of this, let's do a listicle here and see what kind of output we can get. And we're going to do a listicle. It's preparing it, it's fact checking it, as you can see down here, and then it's going to bring in some image because I checked off suggest high quality photo. Okay, and so this is just in case you were maybe trying to do maybe like a Facebook post, or you could be using this for, you know, some kind of post that you want to put on social media. You could actually use this, which is not bad. We're just waiting for it to finish doing its work, and once it completes its work, then it's going to put it over here for us, and then we'll have what we need. Okay, and so here is your output for how to build an online business done in a listicle format. Of course, you're going to get a paragraph here. Number one, it's going to say choose your business model. There are 6 types of online businesses to consider, and it's going to go ahead and give you this and define your target market, create a business plan, build your website, set your social media presence, create compelling content. 7, build your email list and drive traffic to your website, build a loyal customer base, and measure your results. And so this is one of the outputs. It did about 459 words for this particular output, and this is one of the options that you get with Katteb. Now, when you go back over to Katteb, because like I said before, you got a lot of different templates that you can use, and of course, I'm going to be making some additional videos for you guys here. You've got your long form article, and I'm also going to do another one on the article rewriter, because I want to see how well the output for the article rewriter is. And so just make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of the article rewriter, because I literally have thousands of articles that I need to rewrite, and I want to make sure that I'm able to maybe possibly rank those articles. And so I'm going to be seeing if there is some other stuff that I can do with those. So, and I might even be doing those in an email, like creating like an email newsletter or news list, and using those articles as a newsletter. So putting like maybe 200 or 300 in a newsletter feed to where they just go out to this list every single day, and I don't really have to do anything. I could just set it and forget it. And so that's sort of an idea that I have for you know, some advertising that I'm going to do on one particular option. But yeah, so just make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, guys. Please make sure that you leave me your thoughts on Katteb if you have not purchased it. Please make sure that you use the link in the description below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that when I come out with the new videos on this, you will not miss the videos. Okay. All right. And I'll see you guys in the very next video.